y'all. So today is Vlogmas day 9. So we did end up going to the lights yesterday, and I'm gonna insert a clip right now. We didn't actually go to the lights that we wanted to go to because everybody, like we have like a family group chat or whatever, and everybody everybody wasn't prepared to go. Not prepared, but it was kind of just thrown together, so we had to like kind of replan it. Ready just yet. So we're gonna go see the lights that we're supposed to go see on another day when everybody is, ready to go and we all on the same page. But so we went to, I actually didn't even go. My mom, my brother, his girlfriend, her godson, and the girls went, and they took videos and stuff for me just because once I realized we weren't going to the original ones we was gonna go to, I was like, ooh, this give me some little bit. If my mom takes the girls, because I never have a break from the girls, y'all. The girls are with me every single day, like unless they're at school. So I was like, oh, this gives me a little bit of time to work on some things that I was trying to work on. So I got some of my acrylics finished out, and then I'll give you a little bit more detail about my website and all that kind of stuff. But I just felt like that would give me a little bit more time to, work on some things that I've been trying to work on, but haven't had the time to because the girls are there, or because the girls are there and I have to attend to them. That their attention span is like whoop, that big. So yeah, today I'm doing hair, the girls' hair. I think I'm gonna give them some. Pretty sure I'm gonna give them some cornrows. Hey y'all, Juju say hi. You're gonna say hi. Clearly, as y'all can tell, today's hair day. So, yep, it is hair day.
And Yaya wanted to get to the store and forgot about us.
No, Yaya wanted to go to the store without you. They feel like anybody go anywhere, they're supposed to go with you. Like if they don't, it's like you didn't want them to go. I'm gonna do a at-home hair mask for Jules. Every time I wash their hair, I always put some type of mask or deep conditioner in it, just to prevent their hair from getting dried out and looking crazy. This one right here, y'all, her scalp is so sensitive, that it stresses me out. Her hair long enough, and it start hurting. Oh yeah, okay y'all, so I got the stuff I need. I use coconut oil, organic. This is the brand. Spectrum is the brand. Is so nice. You better say thank you. She searched in there for that. Jules irks me sometimes, y'all. That's the Capricorn. Y'all Capricorns? That girl y'all just witnessed her searching that box for that stuff for that girl. She burns me up when she do that. I do have of what I want. Okay. My coconut oil it comes solid, but if you leave it in like a warm area, which my kitchen is right over my over my stove, it'll get liquidy, so that's what mine has done. And then you just mix them all together. You mix them both together. So I think a little bit of acidity would kind of help because it's so much moisture being put into the hair. You don't want to, just a little few drops, all you need.
the entire kitchen and give you a master suite worthy of this bachelor pad. All right. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I think you're liking this house. I do like it. Well, we still got another one to consider, so don't make your decision just yet. All right. The inside of the house was, I mean, ready to go. But there was really no yard. That's what I'm really looking for.
This next house has a lot of room for growth, but also potential for entertaining, which is really what he's looking for.
Landscaping is crazy cool.
Hey, guys.
Hey, David.
Hey. I love these trees, do you? Okay, good. Let me tell you the quick specs on this house. So we're calling this beauty the peach house for a couple of reasons. A, it kind of looks like a peach, but it's also got this gorgeous peach tree in the backyard. Can't wait to show you that. It's a big house, 5 bedrooms, 2 baths.
Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to wash her hair. I'm about to wash Joyce's hair. I'm using Russ. Ugh. And it's pretty good shampoo conditioner. I got it from Marshall's. And it was pretty good. Right now I still have my concoction in her hair. And now I'm about to add in some conditioner. And the conditioner, because it's water-based, just helps loosen up the product a little bit. So, because it's so much, because none of it is, everything is pure. So I just added a water base just to break it up a little bit. These alerts saying that it's supposed to snow, and I ain't seen no snow yet.
Stream live and catch up on the HGTV app.
That's so much easier to comb. Oh my goodness. I'm using 2 heat protectors. The first one is by Tresemme, and then the other one is by Ion. And I got both of these from Sally's. So, where did I get this from? Something else. Sally's carries it too, though. So, yeah. This hair the straightest for me, and a this ain't no high tech blow dryer, y'all. I got this from my hair school. I still got the same one. And yeah.
Oats contain a soluble fiber.
The next one.
This fiber really doesn't like cholesterol.
And y'all, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to blow dry her and do all that, but I'm gonna show y'all the hairstyle on tomorrow's vlog. So y'all gotta keep watching if y'all wanna see how the hair turns out. So no. But yeah, just so I can have enough time to still post this video. That's the real reason. I wouldn't be showing you like that. I didn't go through the whole steps of washing Jim's hair. I did the same thing though. This is how it looks after it's washed. Shrinkage is definitely real. Okay, after the wash, looks pretty good. Feels good, just like Jules's. I'm gonna put my same products in: the Tresemme leave-in conditioner, and also heat protectant. Then I'm gonna use the Ion Styling Solutions. I got this from Sally's, and it's a heat protectant and smoothing spray.
The tour continues down the sunny East Colonnade. Over the years,
Hold on, it's about to be real fast.
green,
Your hair don't take long at all to blow
red,
dry.
and stained glass.
Then I'm using the Style Prep by Veda,
And glittering trees.
Light Elements by Veda.
Decided to create a stunning
It's a pump, and then you want to put that in it.
After
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry her, and we will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. So make sure y'all come if y'all want to see how their hair turns out. Y'all have to check in tomorrow.
this holiday season.
Okay, we are like very.
So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish blow drying Jim's hair, and we'll see y'all in our next video. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section about any videos you would like to see, how you think we're doing with Vlogmas, so on and so forth. Or you can just stop and say hi, you know. And yeah, we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.
Not only is this beautiful, but you're adding so much texture. Like people can do this at home. Like how simple is this? Whether it's really easy.